Today we demonstrate how to buy shares of Alkane Resources Ltd. And explain the basic context of the company as a resource and mining operator. Alkane Resources trades on CBOE-AUS under the ticker ALK.ASX, and this clip is for educational purposes, not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will typically need to verify your account with an identity document and then add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker ALK.ASX to find the correct listing. Confirm you have selected Alkane Resources Ltd. from the search results. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to verify you are on the right stock. Review the basic data and recent price action before moving to an order. Choose the Investor Buy button, set the amount you wish to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.